Hello, everybody. I'm gonna read number 6. Go.
You read this, what is this? Yes.
Funny pig.
Okay, you read this one.
Me. Egg family. Dig, pig, big, jig, fig, rig, wig, gig. Did you see Funny with and yes, so the whole full of it. Funny pig with a wig and dig hole full of fig. So it dig. See the funny pig. Did you see the funny pig? I saw the funny pig. I saw it dig a hole full of fig. Did you see the funny pig with a wig? Yes, a hole full of fig. The funny pig. Did you see the funny pig with a wig? Did you see the funny pig with a wig? Dig and dig. Yes, I saw the funny pig with a wig. Yes, I saw it dig and dig a hole full of fig. A hole full of fig. Yes, a yes, a full a hole full of fig. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.
Yes. Nalpasan tibasan ni siya, Katni. Do you know how to read now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. What will you say here?
Bye bye. Like
Bye.
and subscribe.
Oh yes, you like and subscribe our channel. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching.